All right, boys and girls, let's get started with Math Boxes 7.1. Number 1, find the area. You may use the doubling or break apart strategy. Okay, so if we want to go ahead and look at this and find the break apart, we could break apart to 4 because that gives me 2's. So then I would have 2 times 8, and 2 times 8 equals 16. And then here, 2 times 8 equals 16. Okay, and then all I'm going to do is add those up, and that gives me 32. So my area would be 32. And remember, on area, we have to square it. So it's square meters. So 32 square meters. You could have broke the 8 apart if you felt more comfortable doing that. That's entirely up to you. Just use your break apart rule to help you out there. Number 2, what fraction of the whole piece has been eaten? So if I count these, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know there should have been 8 pieces. So the fraction, and boys and girls, when they ask for what fraction, you have to write it in fraction form. You just cannot put down a number. So what part has been eaten? And that would be 2/8, because these 2 parts are missing. So they're the parts that have been eaten. And what fraction of the whole pizza is left? Then what's left would be in the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would give you 6/8. Okay. Number 3, Lisa used 54 blocks to build 6 same-size towers. How many blocks did she use per tower? Okay, we're going to use B to represent the number of blocks per tower. Well, we know that there are 54 blocks in all, so we can put our 54 here. And we know that there are 6 same-size towers, so there's 6 towers. All right, so our number model that we could use for this would be 6 times B equals 54, or we could go, and that would be looking at it going this way, or if we went backwards, we could do 54 divided by B equals 6. Okay, and then my answer is going to be 9 blocks. Boys and girls, you do your division problem however you choose to do it, whatever strategy works best for you. All right, number 4, Kai used this area model to solve 5 times 12. Help Kai finish his number sentences. So he did 5 times 12, and then he broke it apart to 5 times 6 plus 5 times 6. Okay, so 5 times 6 is 30. So we have that twice, and that would equal 60. So 5 times 12 equals 60. All right. And on the last one, it says in problem 4, Kai broke apart 12 into 6 and 6. Show another way that you could have done that. Okay, so if Kai had, and this was a 5 by 12, okay, another way I could have done it, I could have broke apart the 5, and I could have did 3 times 12, and then I could have done 2 times 12, because this is just doubling, which would equal 24, and this, you doubled it plus another 12, so 24 plus 12 would be 36, and if I add those together, it still comes up with 60. Okay, so I could have done it any way. And boys and girls, as you noticed, I just did a model to show what how I would do that. All right, boys and girls, that concludes Math Boxes 7.1.